Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your cPanel account through Namecheap. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this Namecheap support article or documentation simply because I do not have a Namecheap's website hosted because I can't afford a website. So let's get right into it. Firstly, I would recommend you guys create a backup. You can use a full backup through cPanel. You can manually backup your files through just downloading them after compressing them. You can use any auto backup tools, and etc. etc. You can use whatever you would like. Just create a backup just in case you need those files again. Then after that, you're going to need to go into your domains tab and click on domains and click on manage next to the domain you want to remove. Any add-on subdomains or parked domains, you just need to remove all of them. Then you're going to go into your file manager through cPanel, access home, then go into the public HTML folder, click select all. Since the public HTML is usually the root of your website, so just select all, click delete, and then confirm the deletion again, and then your website files will be deleted. Then you need to go into your emails through cPanel and click delete next to the accounts you want to delete, and the ones you want to delete are all of them. Then go into the FTP accounts menu and delete all of your FTP accounts, and then go into your MySQL databases and delete databases, all of the databases you find in that list. And that is pretty much it. Now you're going to need to, after that, scroll down to your database users, remove them as well, and you're pretty much done. At that point, cPanel will be the same as when you first opened it, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.